Are you managing multiple stores for different markets? Creating a brand new template from scratch for each store can sometimes be very time-consuming. That's why in this video, you'll learn how to transfer a template from one store to another in just a few minutes using GemPages V7 New Editor. You can also use the timestamps in the video to easily follow along with each section. Let's get started. Before getting started, make sure that GemPages is installed on both the source store and the target store in Shopify. Please note that the export feature, which we will use in this tutorial, is not available on the free plan. You will need to upgrade to a paid plan to access this feature. First, open the page you want to transfer. Make sure it's the latest version by clicking Save. Then, go to the GemPages dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. Back in the dashboard, select the desired template, click Export Selected Pages, and confirm. Note, you can export up to 20 templates at once. After confirming Export Template, two scenarios may occur. If you are not the store owner and only have staff permissions, images will not be included in the exported file. And if you are the store owner, everything will be exported as expected. Next, the exported file, .GemPages, will be downloaded to your device. So, how do we import this template? Similarly, go to the GemPages dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. Click on Import Page. Then select Add Files to upload the template. Note, only files with the .GemPages extension are supported. Finally, and very importantly, you need to click Import to confirm. After completing the import, the new page will appear in your pages list. The page will be saved as a draft, and you will need to publish it manually once it's ready. All layouts, elements, and settings will be restored. If you found this video helpful, please hit like to support us. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. We appreciate your support.